to the third normal form. So generally this is as much as you would do in a business, the three normal forms. However, one could do 5 or 6 normal forms with very large complex databases. But for our purposes, the third normal form is basically where we get off the train and finish up. So with this normal form, what we're looking at doing is looking for dependencies that are independent of the primary key that are happening within the table, and that is best explained by an example. So here we have our table concerned with student results, and you have a compound key there, and by golly is it compound because there's 3 fields in this key, and we need the exam date because a student may need to take a module a second time. If they fail the first time, then they need to take it a second time, unfortunately. So that's our relationship, and that's fine because with result there you can see that it's entirely dependent on the full compound primary key. So we're happy with that. So let's look now at module duration. And how do you know how long a module lasts? And the answer to that is that it depends on the number of ECTS credits that it has been given. And you should be familiar with this from your own modules. So a module that is a semester long is 5 credits, that's 13 weeks, and a module that is year long, i.e. 2 semesters, that is 26 weeks. So that you're just seeing repeated there in that table time and again. So those fields need to be taken out. So after we've put this through the third normal form, those two, the ECTS credits and the module duration, that part of transitive dependency, they're going to be whipped out. So what we're going to be left with then are 2 tables. One table with the student number, module number, exam date and result, and the other table then with the credits and the duration. So let's see how that looks then. So here we have them split, and you can see that we have a one-to-many relationship there. So this is it. We are now finished. So let's take a look then at what we have in total. So we have our student who takes modules, and each module has a different duration, and the student will do exams, and they're the details that we need for that. So just putting in the different relations there, and that's it. We now have designed our database, and only at this point do we start to switch on our computer and work on it in Microsoft Access. Okay, thank you.